These vehicles navigate winding roads, delivering fresh produce swiftly to maintain optimal quality upon reaching the processing facility.
Automated sensors scan each coconut for size, weight, and external defects to ensure only prime ones proceed.
Rejected coconuts divert to a separate chute for alternative uses like composting or fiber extraction.
Selected coconuts then pass through high-pressure water jets that thoroughly clean off dirt and debris.
Rotating brushes scrub the husks vigorously while avoiding any damage to the inner shells.
Cleaned coconuts move to the dehusking station, where mechanical arms grip and twist off the fibrous outer layers.
Sharp blades precisely cut through the husk without piercing the hard shell underneath. These hammers strike the shells at exact points to create clean breaks and expose the white meat inside. These hammers strike the shells at exact points to create clean breaks and expose the white meat inside.
Broken shells separate automatically via vibrating screens that shake loose any remaining fragments.
The coconut meat extracts carefully, using curved scoops that pry it out in whole pieces from the shells.
Extracted meat undergoes visual inspection by quality control cameras, detecting any discoloration or impurities.
Approved meat washes in sanitized water baths, infused with mild antibacterial solutions for enhanced cleanliness.
Washed meat dries on perforated trays under controlled warm airflows to remove excess moisture efficiently. Dried meat chops into smaller uniform pieces by high-speed rotating blades in an enclosed chopper unit.
Chopped pieces feed into industrial grinders that pulverize them into a fine, consistent paste texture. Agitators stir the mixture vigorously for several minutes to release the creamy liquid from the solids.
The slurry transfers to centrifugal separators, spinning at high speeds to divide milk from the fibrous residue.
Separated milk collects in holding tanks, while the residue conveys away for further processing into byproducts. Initial milk filters through coarse mesh screens, removing any large particles that might have escaped separation.
Filtered milk passes through finer microfiltration systems, eliminating smaller impurities and achieving clearer consistency. Advanced ultrafiltration membranes then refine the milk by removing excess water and concentrating the flavors naturally. Concentrated milk homogenizes under high pressure to blend fats evenly and prevent separation in the final product.
Homogenized milk heats gently in pasteurization units using plate heat exchangers for precise temperature control.
Pasteurized milk cools rapidly in cooling chambers to preserve freshness and nutritional value without compromise. Cooled milk undergoes rigorous testing in on-site laboratories, checking for pH levels, bacterial counts, and purity standards.
Here in the clean room, the coconut milk is precisely dispensed into pre-sterilized cartons. Cartons seal hermetically with induction heating, ensuring airtight closures and extended shelf life.
Sealed cartons label automatically with batch numbers, expiration dates, and nutritional information via inkjet printers. Pallets wrap in shrink film, providing protection against dust and damage during transit operations.
Wrapped pallets load onto automated guided vehicles, transporting them to the warehouse storage area.
In the warehouse, climate-controlled shelves maintain ideal temperatures and humidity for product stability over time.
Quality assurance teams conduct final spot checks on random samples, confirming adherence to ultra-pure standards consistently.
Shipping coordinators prepare manifests detailing quantities, destinations, and handling instructions for outgoing shipments.
Trucks back up to loading docks, where forklifts efficiently place pallets inside for secure transport.
The factory's waste management system recycles shells and husks into biofuel pellets, reducing environmental impact significantly.
The multi-stage purification system ensures that every drop of water is recycled. Through
energy-efficient LED lighting illuminates all areas, minimizing power consumption while enhancing worker safety protocols.
Conveyor systems incorporate sensors, preventing jams and alerting operators to potential issues immediately. Maintenance crews perform routine checks on machinery, ensuring smooth operations and minimal downtime occurrences.
Innovation labs within the factory experiment with new extraction techniques, aiming for even higher purity levels.
Supply chain integration software tracks coconuts from harvest to factory, optimizing freshness and traceability features.
Employee training programs emphasize hygiene practices, reinforcing the commitment to producing ultra-pure coconut milk.
The entire process adheres to international food safety certifications, guaranteeing consumer trust and product excellence.
Advanced robotics handle repetitive tasks, allowing human workers to focus on oversight and quality enhancements. Air filtration systems maintain sterile environments in critical processing zones, preventing contamination risks effectively.
Nutrient analysis equipment verifies that the milk retains essential vitamins and minerals post-processing.
Packaging materials source from sustainable suppliers, aligning with eco-friendly manufacturing goals.
Batch coding lasers etch unique identifiers on each container, facilitating recall procedures if necessary.
Distribution networks ensure timely delivery to global markets, maintaining the milk's ultra-pure integrity.
The mango is vibrant, but the acidity is slightly off.
I agree. Let's try increasing the ginger notes in this batch.
The sensory data supports that adjustment.
Solar panels on factory roofs supplement energy needs, promoting renewable sources in operations.
Ergonomic workstations reduce worker fatigue, supporting a productive and healthy workforce environment.
We have a temperature spike on line 2.
I see it. Increasing the coolant flow now.
Community outreach programs educate local farmers on best harvesting practices, improving raw material quality.
The factory's design incorporates natural light through large windows, enhancing the workspace ambience considerably.
Emergency response protocols train all staff, ensuring safety during unforeseen events or disruptions.
Continuous improvement initiatives gather feedback from employees, driving operational efficiencies forward.
Export compliance teams handle documentation for international shipments, adhering to diverse regulatory requirements.
The culmination of these steps results in ultra-pure coconut milk, ready for consumer enjoyment worldwide.
All right, pull into Bay 4. We'll start unloading the moment you're secure.
Everything looks good here.
These vehicles navigate winding roads, delivering fresh produce swiftly to maintain optimal quality upon reaching the processing facility.
Keep the line moving. Coming through, coming through. Watch the flow right there.
Automated sensors scan each coconut for size, weight, and external defects to ensure only prime ones proceed. Rejected coconuts divert to a separate chute for alternative uses, like composting or fiber extraction.
Selected coconuts then pass through high-pressure water jets that thoroughly clean off dirt and debris.